Amanda's birthday gift to mommy. No, no go use money buy me something. Let me see. A card. Amanda said she made card for me. Guys, now full book. Oh, this is a full notebook. Let's see. Wow, but it's the third account. Okay, the happy birthday is from the other side. Happy birthday to you, my mommy. Okay, I guess it's from this other side that the birthday the gift started from. She has gone. She has gone. I told you guys that hey, that everything okay now. I understand where the gift is going.
You have to read everything.
Okay, she said, "I'm grateful that you are my mother." Hey, yeah. I am grateful that you brought me to this world. I'm grateful for all the delicious food that you cook. I'm grateful that God added 1 more years to your age. Yeah, I love this. I am happy to call you my mother. Ew, thank you, baby. Happy birthday to the strong woman who gave birth to me. Happy birthday, mommy. I wish you long life and prosperity. Child, this is so sweet. This is so sweet. This is so sweet, guys. Child, love this. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep it eventually. Guys, it's the thought that counts. They made this card themselves. They made it themselves. That is what counts. Let's wait for my son. Let's see if the only son I have in this world, if the only boy I have in this world will remember that today is his mother's birthday and get me something. I don't want them to use their money to buy me anything, but I told them be creative. Be creative. I want you guys to create it yourself because it's the thought that counts. My birthday is going well. So if you want to gift me, if you want to give me birthday gift, drop it in the comment section. I'm willing to send you my account number. And I'm willing to send you my house address so that you can forward whatever it is you want to give me. I will appreciate it. Whatever it is, I will appreciate it. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Let me greet you guys first of all. I want to bring out the intestine so that I can use to make a pepper soup. I'll add some goat's meat into it. I'm very strong. I'm not feeling fine. I have cold, catarrh and cough. So as Zana have cold, catarrh and cough. So both of us, we are very, very strong. So yesterday, I didn't even enter the kitchen. Yesterday was Sunday. I did not even cook yesterday. The kids ate what we have in the house. They ate Indomie. Amanda prepared Indomie, and that is what they ate. Zana, we are very, very strong. So this month, since I didn't cook yesterday, guys, I wanted to make soup today and also make pepper soup so that we can eat the pepper soup with white rice in the afternoon. Then in the evening, we can eat the soup. So I brought out some goat meat yesterday, and they've defrosted already for the soup. So today I'm trying to bring out the intestine now. You understand, for pepper soup, but I think it's frozen. I think I have to wait for Obi to come back. He went to work. Sorry, he will be back very soon. The kids, they've all gone to school. Guys, the kids, they've all gone to school. It seems I have to wait for Obi to come back and help me do this so that he can bring it out. I'll look for something and give Zana. Now, though I've given her Tacaprina, her head is hot. I've given her Tacaprina this morning so that the temperature will go down. Her cough syrup, we notice we no longer have cough syrup for her. So Obi is going to call her doctor so that she can prescribe for her what we are going to be buying for her. So that's just it, guys. This grounded dry fish, let me bring it for you guys. This grounded dry fish, I brought it from Nigeria, so it's 2 years now. It's 2 years now. So what is in here is just grounded bonga fish. Yeah, grounded bonga fish. That is what is here. So I'm going to be using it for my soup today, and also add little to my pepper soup. Seriously, I hate being sick. I hate being sick. If a mother is sick, meaning the whole house is sick, I'm telling you the truth. I hate being sick. I'm not sick in Jesus' name. I hate like when I'm in this kind of condition, Mama. I hate when I'm in this kind of condition. So guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Say it's me, Zana. I'm very strong. Say hello. Say hello, Mama. Somebody should recommend what I'll use for Zana's hair. Zana don't like them touching her hair. She hates them. You don't touch Zana's hair. Mama, I come and let her back. Zana don't like them touching her hair. She hates it. Sorry. She hates it when you touch her hair. And see her hair is cutting. Her hair is really, really cutting. Please recommend products for me that I can use for her hair. Because I don't want to cut her hair. I want to grow it. But Obi is insisting we cut the hair. Since she's a year old now, obviously to cut the hair, but me, I don't want to. So please recommend products for me. Recommend products for me. Oh, I'll talk to you guys. Let's go and handle this, Mama. Guys, I was able to bring out the meat, so I'm deposing it already. This was one I bought out last night. I'm using this fish, and I've told you guys about this dried fish. Told you guys about this dried fish. upon cleaning the house, I always like to mop when the kids have gone to school so that there will be no disturbance. Even though they mopped their rooms on Saturday, I still mop it today. I only showed you guys the sitting room and the kitchen. You guys have mopped everywhere. The rooms, all rooms in this house, mainly my bathroom. Amanda did the washing on Saturday, but I'm still going to do some touches because you know that she will not do it perfectly, so I'll do the work perfectly myself. I'm going to do it later on, but not now. I'm so tired. As Zana is sleeping, guys, let me show you guys what is in here. You don't know what is in here. Let me do that. My tripod is broken, so cannot capture everything. I don't just know. I'm going to get another new one. Guys, the expenses on my head is too much. I don't know. I don't just know what to do. Zana, please don't wake up now. So someone gave my husband, an Italian lady, guys, gave my husband this thing. It has been in this bag for a very long time. And it has been at the back of this door because I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I don't even know how I'm going to use it. So let me show you guys what is in here. So this is the first one. This is the first one. And these are very beautiful things. I guess this is a milk cup. Milk cup. Yes, this is milk cup. So beautiful. You can see it. Someone just gave it to my husband. And these are plates. Sets of plates. 1, 2, 3. So beautiful. I'm reserving all these things. I'm reserving all these things when we get a new house and pack there. Maybe that is when I will get to know what to use. Tell me, Mama, what is that? Zana is awake. Sorry, Mama. Okay, this is a teapot. This is a teapot, guys. Take a look at this side. Very beautiful. Sorry, Mama. Sorry. Stand up. Very beautiful. This one that you're not feeling fine, that means the whole house will be on fire. Sorry. Okay. This is another one. What is that? Sorry. Guys, this is another one. Beautiful set of cups. They are so beautiful. They are so beautiful. Just arranged in my kitchen. You people know my kitchen. I lack storage, so there's no place to keep all these things. That's why I left it in this bag since it came. Because I don't know where to arrange it. This, okay. Same set cup of. Now the cup is 6. Italians, this is another one. And these are the wrap people. These are cake. And this bubble wrap. This is another one. Okay, these are the saucer for the teacup. So this is it for the teacup. Okay. This is another the same as that kind of tea. This one is for what? For sugar? Oh, I don't know. This is very beautiful. Okay, and this is wow, a gold cup. Very heavy. This is very heavy. A gold cup. Very heavy. I think for tea. I don't know what I'm going to be using all these things for. I don't know because the person that gave me, I believe she or she knows what is used for. Me, I be village woman, no. I be village woman. I be village woman. Okay, this is same as this teacup. So it's finished. So this is everything in the bag. So I'm going to wrap it again and keep it where I removed it from. Maybe one day, if I have I get a new apartment, I have storage, then I have where to display it. All these things are beautiful when you display it in the living room. You just have, Italian houses, they have this kind of, how will I put it? They always have very big show glass in their sitting room where you display things. So maybe when I get a new apartment, in my kitchen, I will have a place that I can be displaying all this. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. So for now, I'm still going to wrap it back, and keep it at the back of that door that you saw it. I don't have visitors, so anybody I don't know. I don't have a place to keep it in my kitchen, so I don't even have visitors. So now where I can bring and come out, and then I will go put them back. So wait, put it away. So that's everything. Let's make food for Zana. She has not eaten. Immediately I spoke to you guys, I placed her on my back, and the next thing she slept off. That's why you guys saw her sleeping. So now let me make food for her so that she will eat. Then I'll give her a vitamin. And we continue with the vlog. So drop in the comments, what should I use all this for? How am I going to display it? Okay. So Obi got these two. So it's finished, almost finished. Then I told him to get 3 because she's now 1 year. And this is the first time of us. I don't know if you guys can see me. This is the first time of us using this milk. So I told him to get the 3 of this milk so that we can try it for Zana. So this is the product that she has been using since she turned 6 months. This is the product we've been using for her. So I'm just making this is and milk. I don't know if you can this one. So you don't see it. Sorry, Mama. This one is on 12 months. Ghana is 12 months. I've never tried giving them. I'm today because imagine. This is our problem. Since before how many days?